You don't need to commute, you can work around, basically all of us have our responsibilities, work, kids, whatever. Basically you can plan your day and your learning schedule because it's a certain load.
I have my own routine of doing my studies, so even though I work full-time and I am a mother full-time, I used to allot 2 or 3 hours of studies so I'd be able to finish my assignments within the week.
You can log on at any time of the day to go in. I could log on and watch a lecture at 3 o'clock in the morning if I wanted to, if I was coming in after nights or whatever. So I found that independence great because again, like, there's no way I would have been able to do full-time work and do college Monday to Friday. So that was the beauty for me of doing it and why I stuck with it.